Are you looking to revolutionize your email game? In the digital age, email marketing has become a cornerstone of successful business strategies. It's a powerful tool capable of building strong relationships with your audience, driving engagement, and ultimately boosting conversions. But let's face it, managing an effective email marketing campaign isn't always a walk in the park. There's the constant struggle of keeping your content fresh and engaging, ensuring your emails don't end up in the spam folder, and of course the challenge of navigating complex email marketing platforms. It's enough to make even the most seasoned business mavens feel overwhelmed. You're not alone in this. We've all been there, wrestling with an unruly inbox, wondering if there's a better way to harness the power of email marketing. But what if there was a way to make email marketing a breeze? Enter AWeber. AWeber is not just an email marketing tool, it's a game changer. Let's dive into the world of AWeber, where email marketing has been revolutionized. Picture this, a platform that caters to all your email marketing needs and more. AWeber is that platform, with features designed to streamline your business efforts and increase your engagement and conversions. First, let's talk about email automation. AWeber takes the hassle out of sending emails. With its autoresponder feature, you can schedule and send emails to your subscribers without lifting a finger. Whether it's a welcome email, a promotional offer, or a follow-up, AWeber has it covered. Next, we have template designs. AWeber offers a plethora of stunning, customizable templates that can cater to your business's unique aesthetic. Whether you're a startup, a well-established company, or an entrepreneur, there's a template for you. Lastly, let's address analytics. Understanding your audience is key to successful email marketing. AWeber's robust analytics feature provides detailed reports on your email campaigns. Want to know how many people opened your email or clicked on your links? AWeber gives you all the insights, allowing you to fine-tune your strategies and make data-driven decisions. But guess what? That's just the tip of the iceberg. AWeber is not just about automating emails, designing templates, or analyzing data. It's about revolutionizing the way you do email marketing. AWeber is about making your business soar to new heights. That's just the tip of the iceberg. AWeber has much more to offer. Let's dive deeper into the powerhouse features of AWeber. One of the standout features of AWeber is its split testing capability. This allows you to send 2 or more variations of an email to different segments of your audience. You can change the subject line, content, or even the design to see which version resonates the most. The result's more effective emails that your audience loves. But that's not all. AWeber's advanced analytics give you a bird's-eye view of your email marketing performance to track opens, clicks, and conversions, and understand what's working and where you need to fine-tune. It's like having a personal data analyst at your fingertips. And let's not forget about AWeber's seamless integrations. Whether you're using WordPress, Shopify, or any other platform, AWeber plays nice. You can easily import contacts, automate emails based on user behavior, and even segment your audience for more personalized messaging. But the real magic of AWeber is how these features come together. With split testing, you're constantly improving your emails. With advanced analytics, you're making data-driven decisions. And with seamless integrations, you're creating a unified marketing strategy. These aren't just bells and whistles, they're tools that turn your email marketing from a chore into a game changer. With AWeber, you're not just sending emails, you're creating impactful conversations. It's time to say goodbye to inbox chaos and hello to engagement and conversions. We've traveled the AWeber landscape together, exploring its seamless interface and uncovering its powerhouse features. AWeber is not just a tool, it's a revolution in email marketing, transforming the way we connect with customers, one email at a time. With AWeber, you're not just sending emails, you're building relationships, nurturing leads, and driving conversions. Its intuitive design and robust features make email marketing a breeze, even for those of us who are not tech wizards. Imagine your business with AWeber at its heart, engaging customers like never before, driving up conversions and boosting your bottom line. You're not just an entrepreneur, you're a trailblazer, a pioneer. Join the AWeber revolution today and watch your business soar to new heights. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more insights and tools to revolutionize your business.